How to embed YouTube videos on X or Twitter account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your application YouTube. It will be landing you on this homepage. In here, search for any of the specific video that you would like to embed. From the search bar, you can search for specific video. If not, you can select it from here. Tap on the video that you would like to embed. Now, over here, the option of share will be visible to you. Click on it. And then tap on X. You have to make sure that you are logged into your Twitter or X account. Once you are logged in, it will open up this page with the video of the YouTube that you have selected. Now you can enter the caption just below the video. Once you have entered the caption, tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen. And then the video will be posted on your feed. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can embed YouTube videos to X or Twitter account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.